Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. My name is Donley Chimtua. In today's video ntodakukuudzai guys about the cruise ships. I receive my messages to a lot of people saying I've been scammed. I sent money to someone promising me for the job. I want to tell you today guys, when you are doing the cruise ship, you don't have to send money to someone. So this video I'm going to tell you guys kuti unowana say basa rekumaship and how do you apply. I'm gonna take a quick video because now I'm at work, so I'm gonna make this video short. Alright, first thing, kana uchida kushanda kumaship, you have to get a CV first, a professional CV. Guys, you need a professional CV. I'm gonna put a symbol of a professional CV on this video. So on the CV unofanira kunge une experience. So for example, if you want to be a waiter, you need to have an experience of a waitress or a waiter. So pa CV pako wano kumashipi wanoda experience inema companies anema 5-star hotels, but azvirewe kuti iwewe kana usina experience inema companies anema 5 stars ukwanisa kushanda kuship. No, you have to try guys. So for example, if you